Hello, so this is an update on the Mogul Jr. Finally got to put a couple hours in it today, and the head is not on there. The head is just placed on. But made some progress on the first round of paint removal. Not looking too bad. It's kind of ironic. I did actually find some original Mogul paint. Obviously, that is not. But that guy down there in the back is. So that was not the funnest task for sure, but I kind of think I actually like it better already. Obviously still got plenty of work to do, and hopefully it'll come together soon.